Welcome to the WooCommerce series. Today in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to create a simple product with WooCommerce. This is pretty easy and straightforward, so let me walk you guys through how to do that. So here's an example of a simple product. A simple product is a product with no variables, only the add to cart option. So right here, you'll see we can select a specific amount of quantity, and then right here, I can add it to the cart and check out on this e-commerce website. Now, another website using simple products is Target.com. Target.com uses simple products on their website, and you'll see they have this Lego set right here, and this is an example of a simple product. So there's only the add to cart option, and they can also select a specific amount of quantity. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to create a simple product using the WooCommerce plugin. So to do that, let's go back over here to our dashboard. Now guys, just to remember, you guys need to have WooCommerce installed on your website, right? So make sure that you guys do have the WooCommerce plugin installed. Hopefully you guys know how to do that, right? And in case you guys don't, and click on add new plugin, and then you'll type in WooCommerce over here in the backend. So WooCommerce, and here is the plugin that you guys will need right here. It is the WooCommerce plugin. So make sure that you guys have this installed, right? I know that's pretty basic, but some people don't have that installed, believe it or not, right? So over here, I'll click on products on the left side, and then we're gonna add some products. So here are my current products, and in the top left right here, I'm gonna click on add new, and we're gonna create a simple product. So go ahead and give your product a name. Now I'm just gonna type in basketball nets, right? So this is the name of my product. And then here we have the product description. Now this product description will actually appear below your product. So going back over here to our demo product, you're gonna see this description right here. This is where this description will display. Typically, this is used for the type of material and technical details that you want to put, not necessarily trying to sell them, but just any sort of technical details you guys wanna put about your product. You guys will go ahead and enter it right here. We'll scroll to the bottom. And then right here, we have product data. Make sure that you guys do have simple product enabled, right? And here we have the price of the product. So I'm gonna put $99.99, right? But we can schedule a sale. So I'm gonna put this product is on sale for $49.99, okay? And then here I can schedule the sale. So I'll go ahead and select a date from the 9th to the 13th, right? So next we have taxes. Now I do have other videos that talk about taxes, and I'll put in the playlist on my channel. So make sure to watch those videos if you guys wanna learn more about tax statuses and also tax classes. Next, we have inventory. Here you guys can enter the SKU number of your product if you guys have it. You guys can also select stock management. This typically shows how many of these quantity of products you have in stock, and then this will display for your customers. So I'll just put I have 30 available. You can put the option to do not allow order. You can allow customer, or you can allow this but notify customer, or just allow it in general. Now here we have the low stock threshold. Now when you want to be notified when you're running low on this specific stock, well, I'll put 10, right? And then here the option for sold individually. This is if you only want this product to be sold by itself, which means it cannot be added with any other products. Here we have shipping. You'll go ahead and put the weight and the dimensions of your product. So I'll just put 10, right? Or sorry, 10, there we go, 10. And then for the dimensions, I'll just put 20, 50, and 20. Shipping classes, I do talk about this in my WooCommerce tutorial. And again, I'll leave that in the description. Link products, you guys can always link products to your main product if you guys wanna go that route with upsells and also cross sells. Next, we have attributes, and this is typically for variable products, so we're just gonna skip that. Advanced, once a user purchases this product, you guys can leave a purchase note in the purchase receipt. So I'll put, thank you for your order. Here we can enable reviews for our simple product as well. So next we have product short description, and this is the description that typically displays on the right of your product right here. So this is like the main cornerstone description of your product. If you guys do need help with description, I definitely recommend using ChatGPT. For example, right here, I put in this little prompt that says, create me product description for a basketball net. And then they created this like really rich descriptive content. Now, I don't recommend to copy and paste this, but I do recommend to maybe just take bits and parts of it, reword it to fit your own website culture and, to give it a little bit more personality, and then just adjust it to your liking, right? So over here, I'll go ahead and throw in some product description, right? And below that, these other options don't apply to us. Now on the right side, we have some more options, right? So here you want to upload an image of the product. So right here, I'll click on product image, and then we're going to insert this image of this basketball net right here. I'll set this product image. So next we have product gallery, and product gallery is essentially just adding in more images for your product. So just for tutorial purposes, I'll add in these 3 images and then I'll click on add to gallery. Here we have product categories. I highly recommend to create product categories for all your categories. This typically allows you to categorize all your products to make it very easy to navigate on your e-commerce website. If you guys do need help with all this, I have a video with how to make an e-commerce website in the description. If you guys do want to watch that, I will link it in the description. But for now, I'll just go ahead and select sports. But right here, you guys can always create a new category and then add your products to that specific category. And then product tags, I'll just enter in basketball nets, and then orange, and then nets. This typically helps users find products easier on your website by entering these tags. Once you guys enter all this information in, we'll then click on publish, and then we're gonna publish this product. All right, let's go ahead and click on view product, and let's take a look at our product. So here we go, we got the basketball nets. We have some description. This right here is typically from our WordPress theme, and this actually just shows a little bit more information. If you guys do want to see that video, again, it is in the description where we actually remake this entire website. But right here, you'll see we have the stock management, 30 in stock. Users can add it to the cart. And then below that, we have more images of the actual product. And this is from the product gallery. Below that, we have the category of sports. We have our tags right here. And then here we have the description of the actual product. And again, this is like more technical info, like where it's made or the kind of material. So that is how you guys can create a simple product with WordPress and WooCommerce. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below. All right, party people, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys do have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Also, if you guys do want to learn how to make that amazing e-commerce websites, we have that tutorial in the description below this video if you guys do want to go ahead and check it out. My name is Daryl Wilson, and I will see all of you party people in the next video, guys. Take care.